Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase any MS WordPress theme for your WordPress website from Bloggingify store and how we can deliver it to on your WordPress website. So let's get started. So here you can see MS themes activation with original license key. I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just check the description link and you will direct this type of product page. Okay, and MS themes have lots of WordPress premium themes. So just you can go to MH official WordPress website, and here you can see MH have lots of WordPress themes. Okay, so we purchase all of these. So if you need anything else, so just select what you need. So we listed all these things in the this type of selection area. So select your favorite theme and click to add to cart. Before that, let me explain you these things. Uses for one domain, update validate lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually, we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will activate your any theme in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So select your theme, and after that you have to click on add to cart button. Now you have to click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name and other information, and select your payment method. Okay, and after the payment confirmation you will redirect this type of product page, this type of thank you page, sorry. And here you can see a download button, so just click on it and you will see our premium contact support. So just send your website access with us and we will activate your in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video.